Hello Inyo fans, it's Matt and Rob, and today we're going to show you how to get your liner bead back on track.
That's right, liner bead problems pop up during the winter months. The cold weather causes your vinyl liner to tighten, shrink up, and pull away from the track.
In this picture, we can see a cross-section of how the liner bead and track should fit together. The lip of the bead and the catch on the track should hold firm as the water weighs down your liner.
Also in this diagram, we see a product that is used to prevent bead slippage. It's called liner lock. It is wedged into the tracking after installing the liner, tightening the track's grips on the bead. If you have recurring liner slippage, this may be your best long-term solution.
But now, let's get to fixing your track. First, you'll want to do this on a warm day to make sure the vinyl is stretchy. If you attempt this in cooler weather, have a bucket of warm water on hand, so you can pour it on the liner to keep it pliable.
As you lay on the deck, fold over the bead and the liner, pinching them between your thumb and first two fingers. Gently pull up and guide the liner into the track by applying pressure onto the bead. If you are dealing with a section of liner longer than a foot, tackle the issue 6 inches at a time. The difficulty of this task can range from an easy quick fix to a tedious battle, so remember to stay patient and work slowly to achieve a good end result.
If you have any questions on this topic, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to visit us over at inyopools.com for all your swimming pool needs. Thanks for watching.